Okay, putting the smart siding on the front of the cabin. I got one piece on already. The angle's not perfect because everything's crooked on this cabin. But there's going to be trim coming down and it looks good. I do have my angle finder. Let me see if I find it over here. This is what I use to find my angles. I have my cut station over there. Today we're using the 60 volt, not the worm drive. The worm drive I left at home. The 60 volt DeWalt flex. That's Pops. That thing works great. Works great. That's just like your standard circular saw. The one I have is like the worm drive saw. But this one works just as well. We're gonna see what we could do. We're gonna try to at least complete the front today. And we got one piece on, many to go. I bought 20 pieces. Don't know that's enough. Could be enough for both sides. I don't know, but we will find out. Once we get this up, we'll be painting soon. It's going to be a brown. This is a brown cabin because cabins should be brown. And I will be painting it brown. Don't know about the trim yet. Jen's kicking around the idea of green. She don't want red because she says she don't want the Christmas cabin here. So it looks like it's going to be some brown with green trim. At that time, I'll go ahead and put molding around everything or trim out the windows and everything, make it look nice. And let's push forward. I'm going to set you up over there on the can. And today is a nice, cold, brisk morning. And there's no bugs because it's cold outside. It's crazy, huh? It's May... I want to say it's May 27th. Today is Friday, and it is cold. So that's good. Good for me, because the bugs are driving me nuts. Jen started up our old fire pit over here, and we'll keep pushing forward. Let's get this project done. All right, so we're still working on the front. I don't know when the camera crapped out. Grabbed another battery. That battery was dead, don't know why. So now I'm on my 4th battery of the day. As you can see behind me, it's coming along. I still got some boards to go. Basically, we like it. It's exactly what me and Jen from the very beginning wanted. Now we're saying, man, we should have done that through the whole thing. But this is, we saw a picture of a cabin somewhere at one time and we're like, wow, that's what we want ours to look like, and it looks like it. I do still have to cap the end of the ladder here up there, and I do have the green metal molding that wraps that. I still have to do that, and then it's paint, but it's coming along. It's a process. Go up there, you can see me running the chalk line. Then I drop it down a little bit and I tack it up and just move on to the next one. I made a little a pattern for the sides, and I probably will end up putting some molding going up and down the peak, maybe. I don't know yet. And so far so good. Just keep, you know, rinse, wash, repeat, rinse, wash, repeat, right? So all my helpers, Pop's made all the flashing. It's important to, in all your seams, put a piece of flashing in there, or you can caulk it. And you're supposed to leave gaps for expansion, and my gaps are not too great, but they also sell tools so you could get perfect spacing, overlapping. And I don't know why someone would spend like $80. Maybe it makes it a lot easier or whatever. It's not that difficult. I'm saving 80 bucks. I'll just do it with a chalk line. And we got to a certain height, and Jennifer said, that's it. I'm not going on a ladder no more. So we're making it work. And Justice is still laying in her bed. Not sure if there's been a big jump by now. I don't know when the battery died, but let me get back to work. I'll charge all the batteries tomorrow and see the end product, hopefully. Look at this little old lady. Look at this little old lady. Well, once I got my pattern, my rhythm going, we were going good, but the skies opened up on us pretty good. I'm getting really wet. We got pretty far. It looks great. Hopefully tomorrow it'll dry up. I have, let's see, tomorrow is Saturday. I got Saturday, Sunday, and if I want to, even Monday. Hopefully that'll get done and the gutters will get on for the rain catchment system. It'd be nice if it was on now, but I'm not even close to finishing the system. I'll get the gutters on, then I still have to do a lot of work. That's not going to happen this trip, but it's going to happen shortly, and soon we will be catching the water from the sky and putting it in the holding tanks and having water plumbed into the cabin for showers and washing dishes, gray water only. All right, it's about 9:30 Sunday morning. We're heading home early because it will not stop raining on me. It's just started to drizzle again. I can't do any work when it's 40 degrees out and raining. It just sucks. I go work in the cold, but I can't work when it's wet and cold. My hands just don't work like they used to, and I don't want to be slipping on ladders. So piece of the Tyvek will be sticking out for another 2 weeks, and then I'll cover that up. I'll throw it on the back of the cabin and put the gutters on next time I'm up here, and really start getting some progress done this year. And looks great. We like it. Be picking out paint soon, and we'll go from there. Got the garden all set for planting next time I come up. Good thing I did not bring the plants up this time because it's too cold. At nights it's been getting down to 34 degrees. You know, I don't want the plants to start off like that. I'm sure next time I'm up here it'll be 80 degrees and I'll be complaining because I'm sweating my ass off up on ladders and getting on the roof. All right, just put the last piece on. The front is finished. We came up and we did what we wanted to do. We accomplished finishing the front, capping in the ladder. I have green metal trim that goes over and caps the front. I have to refresh my memory on how to hang it and how to cut it. I might pull them out, but I don't think I'm putting them up today. I still got to try to work on the gutters, and but it's coming along. It's coming along. We ended up with a nice day. It did rain all last night, but we came up here and we wanted to accomplish this at the beginning of the video. We came up here for 4 days. Thursday and Friday we were able to do some work, and started raining Friday, and then it was just a wash. So we went home early Sunday morning because all day Saturday we just stayed inside because it just rained. We had pops up there here at that time. This week, and it was supposed to have storms all weekend. You know, back home it was supposed to be nice. Up here was supposed to have showers throughout the day. So far me and Jen, so far me and Jen have lucked out. We got up here Friday, we knocked out the entire garden. We planted and we wrapped. This morning we went to the flea market and we bought some zucchini and some yellow squash, and Jen planted those, and now the garden looks great. That's a different episode. I'll pop that up here if you want to go and watch that.
and follow along with our garden. First year of putting a garden up in Vermont. We're sure the animals are going to eat it all, but we wanted to make tomato sauce. If you've been following my channel, you know this. And we've been working on that, but we had to put this on hold last time. And now today turned out to be a beautiful day so far. It rained all last night, this morning, and we finished that up. Me and Jennifer really like the look. It's coming along. The next big project will be, well, the gutters and finishing up the water catchment system, which is dragging out, I'll tell you. But maybe I'll start working on the gutters now. And then the porch is coming. The porch is coming this year. It's probably going to break the bank, but we're going to get a good portion of it up. And that's where we're at. Whew. So that'll be the end of this episode, folks. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, do all those things. Got the adventure hat on today. Not sure if you saw the super white top was going on today, because Jen said I need some tan on my white ass, so I took off the shirt. I gotta get that base coat before I go swimming and burn up this summer. So sorry about that if you had to watch some of that. So yeah, do all that good stuff. Channel is still growing. I'm still picking up subscribers faster than I did for the first 2 years on YouTube. So thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Like I said, come along with our adventure of building a cabin in the woods. If you just ran into this channel, that's what we do here. We're up in Vermont. I built this cabin. It's been 2 years now, and from the day we broke ground was actually in July. So July will be 2 years of actual build. So see, I have like a 16 series build series. Go watch them. Watch all my videos. Go. I encourage you all. I'm still trying to make money off this thing called YouTube, and so far I haven't made a dime. But I think they're going to cut me that first check soon. But